The Panasonic S5IIX offers the ability to record direct to SSD over its USB-C port, and this is a big deal for video producers. This offers a large amount of flexibility in workflow, including rapid speeds of transfer time and cost-effective way of storing large files. All of a sudden, recording all intra or ProRes doesn't seem like much of a big deal anymore. Using an SSD caddy which attaches directly to the camera or to a camera cage, you can now record much larger file sizes without having to worry about expensive large SD cards. In this world, you can imagine a super efficient workflow that goes directly from the camera to an SSD and then taking the SSD and plugging it directly into your computer for impressively fast, continuous transfer speeds without the need for SD card readers or adapters. This makes it much more cost effective to record, and you can start working with much larger file sizes. Panasonic has a list of verified SSDs on their support page.